Hola everyone! I wanted to do a video today on Softrade and dig a little deeper into some of the questions that I've been getting from you guys. And I found most of it on the frequently asked questions section of the website. You can see up here, if you click on that, you'll get all these questions, and they're categorized by main questions, investment questions, and partners questions. So most of the questions I am getting are around investments. Is there a maximum that you can invest? Can I invest in more than one package? All of these type of questions. So I thought today I'd spend a little bit of time and go over that. So what is the minimum and maximum amount allowed? Well, they have obviously the different packages. So the minimum amount that you can invest is $25. But I just want to be clear here, because I have heard some other YouTubers say some things, not in our immediate group, but outside in the YouTube world, and they are implying that you can get 4% per day on a $25 deposit. You can't do that. If you recall from my earlier video, there's a 2% plan, a 3% plan, and a 4% plan. So the minimum investment is $25, but that is only going to get you the 2% plan. I'll go over that later again on the timelines of those. Really, in my opinion, and I know not everybody can afford it, and again, please only use fund money. But when I did the numbers, I realized that the 4% plan, not just because it was 4%, but investing $500 for me, typically I do like 100, 200. So 500 in one platform is quite a lot for me, unless it's something big like CASHFX. Even that, I started small and then worked my way up. So I might do the same with this one, but my point is that $500 for me is a lot of money to invest in a platform on the very first go, let's call it. So basically, I only did that because of the calculations of how quickly my return would get back to me. And I liked the fact that I was taking the higher risk for less days. But obviously not everybody can do that with a $500 package, and I understand that. And you know, the owner, the CEO, the founder of this program, Ryan Baines, he has been very vocal, very transparent, very visible, and also very responsive to any emails. So I have a really good feeling about this. Obviously, that's no guarantee. This is crypto. But from what we've seen in the past, he seems to be doing everything right. So I really like that. So let's get back to the questions. So minimum investment is $25, yes, but that is only for the 2% plan. Minimum investment for the 3% plan was, I believe, $100, and then for the 4% plan, $500. And obviously some of you are putting more than $500 in, because I can tell from my referral commission. So the maximum that you can put in is $100,000. I don't know anyone who would put that much into something like this. Maybe eventually, we can only hope, you know. Look at CASHFX. People are putting large sums of money in there and doubling, even quadrupling. So who knows? We may see that in this too as time goes on. When will I get my first earnings? So once you deposit your money, it depends on what day you do it. If you do it over the weekend, there is no trading on the weekend. So once your deposit is there and you've purchased your package, if it's a weekday, you will have to wait 24 hours to see your deposit. So I think I started mine on a Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday, and basically, let's say I started on a Wednesday. So I put the deposit in at, say, noon on Wednesday and noon on Thursday. Because I purchased the $500 pack, I saw my $20 show up in my balance wallet. What is the minimum and maximum amount that you can withdraw? So minimum amount that you can withdraw from any account is $1 US. So of course, depending on the price of ETH, Litecoin, and Bitcoin, but he has some set values here. Basically $1. Are there any fees to withdraw my funds? No, no hidden fees, and that is true. I've confirmed that. Referral commissions. If you decide to share your link, again, I would just be honest with people and say this is high risk, but it is an opportunity to turn your small stacks of Bitcoin into larger stacks, or Ethereum, or Litecoin. So if you're honest with people and you share your link with them and you tell them about the program, they can make an educated decision whether they want to get in as well. Just please tell them the risk of crypto and that nothing is guaranteed. It has to be fun money that they deposit. But any referral that is a first level referral will be 7%. Anyone that first level refers, you get 2% of that, and so on and so on and so on. So you can see here 7%, 2%, 2%, and 1%. So it goes down 4 levels. So another question that I got was, once you purchase your package, say a $500 package, and you want to top it up to $600, can you do that after you've purchased the package? I haven't got confirmation yet from Ryan, but I believe that's a no. The way it looks as though, and I might even today decide to purchase another package and see if I'm able to do that, but what I suspect will happen is we will start a new package. So if I say I want the 4% package and I only want to put $100 in, it's going to tell me the minimum deposit is $500. So I don't suspect that we can top up, but we can purchase more than one package. And of course it would just start at a different time and go for the 35 days as well. Okay, and if we just go back up and check out the other questions, main questions. A lot of this I had already gone through. It's pretty basic. I don't think I need to review it here. But if we go to the partner questions, and you see here, I haven't found an answer to my question, what can I do? If you click on here, it tells us that the email to contact support is support@softradeai.com. So we need to remember that just in case we end up with any issues down the road. Okay, and while I have you, I know most of you are probably in my passive trades, and if you at all logged in this weekend, you probably panicked a little bit if you don't follow them on Facebook or subscribe to other YouTubers. A lot of their announcements are actually posted on Facebook. I don't typically follow them, but every once in a while, like when there is an issue, I will just search on the internet for my passive trades, Polaris, and just see what latest announcement they're talking about. So I actually did that. Someone reached out to me and said they were having problem. I had actually heard that they were doing work on the server this weekend, and that they had announced that on Friday, and then I went and looked myself and actually found a posting that they did yesterday around noon. So I thought I'd share it with you guys so that if any of you are out there thinking that this might be gone, of course, again, I don't have a crystal ball, it could be, but I highly doubt it, just because they gave everyone the heads up. And Darren has been pretty transparent, and also, when I had the issue about a month and a half ago, they cleared that up pretty quickly. So, so far this thing looks like it could last. It seems to be one of the better investments that we've had long term, let's say. So so if you're trying to log in right now to my passive trades, you will not see this screen. What you will see is probably something like this, which doesn't give us a good feeling in crypto. But like I mentioned, I was able to dig a little bit and find an announcement, so I thought I'd share it with you guys while I was doing this video on Softrade. So basically you can see here it was yesterday at 11:59 a.m. So that was on February 8th. The time that I'm doing this video is February 9th. So it was an update from Darren Bradbury, the CEO of Polaris himself, and it just says, "Hi everyone, due to our ongoing growth, we have decided to do some large site upgrades. As you know, I'm sure we have been facing some ongoing server issues," and obviously a lot of us have experienced that, yes. So while the programming team has done their best in trying to mitigate or migrate the site slowly in parts, it has meant a lower standard of customer service that we're not comfortable with. So we are doing a full server migration to multiple servers with AWS. This means each server can have unlimited resources and complete flexibility. So that'll be really good moving forward. Due to the size of the site, this will take until Monday. So that will be February 10th. Eastern Standard Time, let's say, and we are expecting the reopen at about 1 o'clock GMT time. So that's basically about 8 a.m. I believe Eastern Standard Time. We will also find a way to compensate for any missed earnings during this period. We thank you very much for the support and understanding, and would like to take the chance to reassure everyone that this is nothing more than an essential upgrade. Your custom is very important to us, and we fully appreciate the work you do in promotion, so it seems only right we provide you a stable website too. Have a great weekend and back to business on Monday. Kind regards, Darren Bradbury, CEO, Polaris Universal Limited. So let's hope that's true. I feel like it is true. So we'll just see 8 a.m. on Monday morning and how they handle any issues with compensation or missed earnings, and we'll go from there. So I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on that. So basically right now I wanted to update my spreadsheet, my trusty spreadsheet, just to keep track of all my investments. So basically I'm still in my passive trades. CASHFX, of course, I'm in. It's my beloved. And Softradeai, it's starting to impress me, so I have put it here on my list. So just as a quick reminder for those of you who are in it or not in it and thinking about it, the daily interest here is anywhere from 2 to 4% dependent on the package that you purchase. Minimum investment, again, $25, $100 or $500 dependent on the package. Minimum or daily withdrawals are allowed on the weekend, even though they only trade from Monday to Friday and give us our return on investment from Monday to Friday. I have been able to withdraw on the weekends. Minimum withdrawal is $1, earn up to 190%. Obviously that is with the highest package. It's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. You can also deposit Litecoin, Ethereum, Payeer, and Perfect Money, I think it is. I don't use either of those two. Withdrawals are the same day. Some of them have been literally within under a minute. Other ones about 15 minutes. Very impressed with that as well. Weekend withdrawals, like I said, yes. Age of this active platform, it started around January of 2020, and actually I believe it was on Friday it was their 1-year anniversary, and that's why they're doing the special promotion of, if you want to make a video and send it to them saying why you are either in it or not in it, what you love about it, what you hope to get out of it, anything like that. If you go to their YouTube channel, Ryan Baines explains the rules to this giveaway, and basically he's giving away $1,500, three $500 packages to people who send in their videos, and there is a 7-day time frame on that. So if you want to get in on that giveaway, make sure that you get on your either smartphone or your computer and start recording a short little video. And he didn't mention that you have to show your face, so if you're a little nervous about showing your face, then just show a logo of the Softradeai and talk to it. So good luck everyone if you decide to go in on that. And okay, cost of withdrawal. Oops, I need to update this. This is wrong. It's actually 0. 0, 0, 0. There is no cost to withdraw. So that's it for today, everyone. I wanted to keep this short and sweet, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, and until next time, hasta luego. Love you guys.